Alright, yesterday I forgot to hit record, but god damn it, I got it this time. Alright, time to get me a coffee. So you get you a cup like this here. Alright, somebody messing with them springs. Alright, get you that. Well, the first thing I do is I get some sugar. Put some sugar in there. About that much. And I get some creamer. Put in about that much. Now, are you guys watching? I put it on here like that. I hit that here. I hit that here. Hit that there. Hit that there. Hit that there. Hit that there. Yeah. My landlord is Tim Nels, and I'm going to complain about the shower. I mean, the shower is literally, you pick up right here, where it's sagging out, and the whole thing came right off the floor. It's separate. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah. So, I told him about it. I said the place is going to get flooded out. And he told me, he's not a slumlord. And he goes, Carl, you ever have a problem, you let me know, and I'll be there to fix it. Okay. Alright. Well, it's been a month now. Already paid my second month's rent. Yeah. And still, where's my shower, Mr. Tim Nels? Yeah. So, yeah. Where's my shower, Mr. Tim Nels? Yeah. Alright. Let's get her fixed. Bye.